Celebrated on September 14 every year, Hindi Divas marks the importance of the Hindi language in the country. The fourth most spoken language in the world after English, Spanish, and Mandarin, Hindi is an Indo-Aryan language written in the Devanagari script as one of the official languages of India, the other being English. It is one of the 22 scheduled languages of the Republic of India. On September 14, 1947, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted Hindi as the official language of the newly formed nation. The decision was then accepted and it became a part of the Indian Constitution on January 26, 1950. According to Article 343, the official language of the Union shall be Hindi in the Devanagari script. The form of numerals to be used for the official purpose of the Union shall be the international form of Indian numerals. People like Biohar Rajendra Simha, Hazari Prasad Dwivedi, Kaka Kalelkar, Maithili Sharan Gupt and Seth Gobind Das lobbied hard in the favour of Hindi to be made the official language of India. Biohar Rajendra Simha is best known for his illustrations in the original final manuscript of the Constitution of India. Used as a literary language since the 12th century, Hindi was the language that was adopted by Indian leaders as a symbol of national identity during the struggle for freedom. Today, about 78% of the people of the country speak and understand Hindi. The word Namaste is the most commonly used word in the Hindi language. The first web portal of Hindi came into existence in 2000, and since then Hindi started making its mark on the internet, which has now gained momentum. Usually, schools and colleges in India on this day organize literary and cultural programs, competitions in Hindi, where all students participate. This year, things will be naturally different because of the COVID-19 pandemic.